Hola guys, welcome to my channel. A bit of ranting in regards to storage device. This is just a quick video as my hard drive failed on me the 2 days ago, and luckily it was within warranty. But I encountered a bit a problem, a particular problem where I'm unable to reinstall a software, Epic. You know, the one we buy games from. Epic has this application, Epic Game Launcher. I wasn't able to reinstall that thing because apparently the previous application was installed into the failed storage device. That's obviously it's no longer available, right? And because of that, every time I try to reinstall Epic, it's saying that an existing Epic is already installed and it cannot reinstall itself. Basically, that's what it's trying to say. So I have to forcefully uninstall it. For those of you who are just here, interested in regards to troubleshooting that thing, feel free to skip ahead. Timestamps there in the description field below. Just click on the time there along its side, and it'll fast forward you to that part of the video. I wouldn't mind at all. Anyway, I'd also like to share some tips and tricks in regards to purchasing a storage device, just so that, uh, you know, to prepare for these kind of situations. Firstly, uh, the hard drive I bought was from PC Works. Kudos to them, by the way. They were able to help me out. I tried to reach them last Saturday, but apparently when I visited their site, they're closed on weekends, and it was a holiday last Monday, so I wasn't able to get in touch with them earlier, not until earlier this day. It's a Tuesday now. So, yeah, I was a bit nervous there because it was my first time. It's my first time buying, or rather, it was my first time buying from PC Works. And, you know, hard drive are really durable, if you know what I mean. And having that thing fail on me a year and a half in, I was really skeptic, so I was a bit scared there. But luckily, I found myself a good store. They got back to me and was able to help me out. Yeah. So that said, before purchasing a storage device, whether it's an NVMe or a SATA, SSD, or a hard disk drive in my case, always check for the warranty information. For this thing here, Iron Wolf Pro, warranty not available. Me, guys, this is really suspicious. And I just praised PC Works at that, huh? Anyway, I really think someone messed up here uploading this page here. First thing is, here the description is wrong. It doesn't say Pro here. I'm not even sure if it's 5900 RPM for the Pro version. I know the non-Pro version is 5900. I'm just not sure if the Pro version is 5900 as well. Better look into that. Anyway, description here is wrong. That's one. And there's no warranty information. I find that very unlikely. I think someone messed up uploading this page. If you guys are interested in this product and you take my word that PC Works is fine, better send them a message first before actually buying this thing. You might end up with having no warranty at all, and it's clearly stated here, guys. If this is true, uh, I really I'm really against buying this thing, guys. Don't buy this. Yeah, more on that later on, huh? In regards to failing hardwares. What I'd like to share more on is, this is the one I bought. This one here. It's a bit cheaper. The one I bought, it was a year and a half ago. And the one I bought has 3 years local supplier warranty. And yeah, so just imagine, I have a hard drive. A year and a half in, it failed on me. I couldn't really say it's a short while. But if you consider a hard drive's lifespan, that's pretty quick, guys. And I'm just lucky that it failed within the warranty period. I have a hard drive here. Well, it's no longer working now, but it failed on me just a year ago. And that lasted me, frankly, I forgot. But I'd like to say, at the very least, it lasted me 3 years. I had three drives that lasted me more than 8 years now. This drive here was from my hard drive enclosure. The other one is from my older computer. And if I'm not mistaken, the other one's from a PlayStation way back. I forget. So, bottom line, the some of you may be interested in buying an enclosure instead and ripping that thing apart just to get the hard drive inside of it because enclosure drives are actually cheaper by a bit, but what we're really buying here, this one here, let's say an enclosure, 4 terabyte hard drive enclosure. Let's say it costs us about 4,000 pesos, right? But the warranty only lasts the same, 3 years, right? But if for some reason you rip that thing apart just to get your hands on the hard drive inside of it and put it inside your system, you'd be voiding your warranty. The reason this one is more expensive is because of the warranty that comes along with it. You know what I mean? So, uh, sh- I forget the term we use in regard, top of my mind. Anyway, I'm too lazy to Google it right now. Anyway, there's this thing called where you buy an enclosure, a bunch of enclosures, rip it open, get the hard drives, and use that for your network drives. No problem there, but you're risking the warranty period. All right. In my case, it's an Iron Wolf. It's pretty known for its durability, especially in regards to network drives. And it failed a year and a half in. So take it as you will. Next thing I'd like to share to you is I really hope you practice making backups, plural. Well, in my use case, one backup is enough. But rule of thumb is at the very least two backups, one on site, one off site. But whatever. At the very least, if your storage device fails on you, you'd still have to, uh, there's a backup available. That's all there is to it in that regard. All right. Now, okay, so for those guys who skipped ahead, welcome back. This one here is what this video is all about, actually. Like I've mentioned before, the hard drive that failed on me have some applications installed in it that I'm having problems reinstalling. One in particular is the Epic Game Launcher. Remember, I mentioned this already. The one that you buy games from. I'm not able to reinstall Epic because it's detecting an Epic application inside Windows registry, so it can't reinstall itself. So one thing to resolve that is by forcefully uninstalling it. By the way, guys, this link here is in the description field below if you guys need it. What you'd have to do is download the Troubleshooter there. After downloading it, run the application. No need to install that thing. Run that and program install and uninstall Troubleshooter. It'll look for all the programs inside the registry, Windows registry, and post it there. All the applications you're having problems with, especially the ones you have, you know, you're having problems with, or you're unable to uninstall. Because what happened in my case was this one here, add remove programs, right? Add remove. Um, Epic Games Launcher was here. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I already uninstalled it earlier in my. This is my third take already. I just want to share my frustration, sidetrack a bit. In my first take, HDR was on. My video editing software wasn't able to process that. On my second take, OBS was set up incorrectly. So that's where I uninstalled Epic. And this third take here, Epic's no longer here. So I'd be uninstalling a different program, all right? Going back, some of the applications here, it doesn't just, it's not only for failed storage. I normally run this program to check on things like, because, for example, if you install a new hardware into your system, there are times where it brings along with it an unwanted software where it installs that software without you knowing, so you miss it. It slips by you, So I have here. I uninstalled Patriot already. So let's just say you have an annoying ROG live service. All right, this one here. Let's say this ROG live service is annoying me. I really didn't install it on my own, and I want to uninstall it. And I check add or remove programs here. ROG from ASUS. ROG. This one here. Let's just say it, for some reason, it's not here, all right? ROG live service is not here in add and remove programs. So I check this one here. Hey, ROG is not here. And I check here in the force uninstall. I see ROG live service here. I could just click on that and hit next. Try uninstall. And it will forcefully uninstall it. All right. So in regards to my experience earlier, I did the same thing for Epic Game Launcher, and it forcefully uninstalled it, and it's fixed. Did we fix your problem? I don't know. Let's find out. Well, it's no longer here. Oh, I didn't notice that. So it's no longer here. Yes, it fixed it. Close the troubleshooter. And there you have it. Now, let's see if it'll let me. Whoops. Now let's see if it'll let me reinstall Epic now. Because otherwise, I'd have to redo the video. Let's see. All right, so I was able to push through. I wasn't able to get this far earlier because it kept prompting me that Epic was already installed. It cannot proceed, stuff like that. So install. And all right, I clicked yes. So it'll do its thing. Now it's working fine. I hope I was able to help someone out. And yeah, if I did, please like and subscribe. And if you wanna, as always, see you in the next one, guys.